How's it going everyone? Welcome back to this guiding studio, and today's guide I'll show you how you can make highlights on your Instagram account. It's super easy, so let's get started. But now to make highlights on your Instagram account, go ahead and open up the Instagram app from your Android or iPhone, and from the home page go ahead and tap on this profile icon at the bottom right. And from the profile, go and tap on this profile picture here, and I already posted a story here as you can see. So let's say I just want to highlight this story. Now to do this, you just need to tap on this three dot line or the more option at the bottom right here, and inside this one you get to see the highlight option. You just need to tap on highlight, and you just need to give it a name and tap on add, and the highlight will be added to your profile. You'll get to see the highlight has been showing up right here. But if you want to highlight your older stories, then all you have to do is just need to get back from here. Just need to go to the profile once again and tap on this profile icon at the top right. And from the settings and activity, you just need to scroll down and tap on archive. And make sure the story archive is selected, so you get to see I have my older stories. So let's select one of these from here, and from your old stories you'll get to see the highlight option. You can tap on this one. You can add to the highlight that we have recently created, or you can create a new one. So let's say I'm going to select this one, and the highlight will be added to my profile. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.